Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. Super excited whenever I get a new box as always, but today we're going to be digging into my JB Stylebox, and this is the second one for the month. I'll tell you about it in just a minute. Can't wait. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is a white puppy dog who's hanging out with me today. Zena is the tan. She's not out here yet, so I'm not sure you're going to see her. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey. We're happy you're here and hope you stick around for long haul and hit that subscribe. All right, so JB Stylebox is one of my favorite styling services. I have an amazing stylist. Her name is Carol. This box is through a single store in Holland, Michigan, and you do get some really personalized care from them. They do things a little bit different because they are a small business, but I do love the styles that my stylist pulls together for me. She just rocks. So I had seen an ad that came out from them with some of their new arrivals as we get ready to fall transition. And I had sent her a note and said, hey, could you please put these couple items in my next box? And she said, I have them. How about if I just send you a box because we have so many pieces I can't possibly pick from all the new fall stuff. So I said, okay, go ahead. Send me another box. So that's what we're going to be digging into. I can't wait to see what she picked out. There's a $20 styling fee. I'll tell you all about how that works. And you can email your stylist, you can let them know what your price points are, what you're interested in, what events you have coming up. So super easy. So inside the box, right on top is a little packet. You'll get like this. It has a pricing sheet, it has pictures of all of your outfits and how to wear them, all the pieces that she sent to you. It has a return label and what to do now that your box has arrived. So it says take 5 days to decide what's right for you, keep what you love, and email your stylist to let her know what you want to keep. Your $20 styling fee will be applied to anything over $55 or more that you keep. And you can use the shipping label provided for anything that didn't work. If you keep 3 items or more, the return shipping will be covered. Otherwise, it's charged. So they go over everything on this little sheet. All right, and then there's the bundles. Check these out. And they always come wrapped in the prettiest paper, like little presents. And she filled this box up. It is so heavy. I love the pictures. I think that gives you a sense of how these outfits should be worn, and it's very cool. And she'll give different ideas too if she thinks it can be worn in multiple ways. First up, this is from Steve Madden. It is the Lindy Dress. Oh, this is adorable. So short sleeve for transition, wear now, wear later, ribbed. And then it looks like it's probably midi length and it has a slit. That is adorable. Great for work or weekend, tennis shoes or heels. Then we have something from Liverpool. This is a blazer. What is this one called? Here it is. This is the notch collar blazer. Check out these pinstriping in this. I like this. It looks like it's a denim, right? And then it has some fun color pops through it. It has buttons at the sleeves. You could dress this up for work. The little notches there in the front. I really like that. So it does come down. If you see this, it does come down to little points in the front. So it's a little bit longer than in the back. Adorable. Oh, check this out. What is this? This is the Sherpa collar trucker jacket by Liverpool, and this is adorable. What? How cute is that? It does have a little bit of stretch. This is not removable. That is adorable. I love that. You can see what she meant. We're off to a great start. Now I see something fuzzy. This makes me sad because I know soon I will be inside for every video because the weather will turn. So it's so nice I can do this outside right now. These are the soft cargo maxi skirt, and this is by Dex. Oh, that is cute. It's like sweatshirt material in a skirt. Has the little cargo pockets here. That is adorable. Check out the back with the slit. Ugh. The pockets in the front. That is so adorable. I love that. Oh, this is gonna be such a fun try on. And this is the Lessie Reversible Vest in cream. And who is this by? I don't know, but this is also adorable. I don't know who this is by. Check that out. So fur on one side with the pockets, and then see what it looks like reversed. It has like a puffer look to it, but it would be oh so soft on the inside. And also still pockets. That is adorable. Adorable. This is by RD Style. That is so cute. Oh, yes, yes, yes. And we still have one more bundle. Typically, they offer two options. When I signed up, but it's been several years now, they offer two options. You could get 3 to 4 items, or you could sign up to get 6 or 7. Of course, I chose the 6 or 7. And then I think your stylist will, based on what she thinks you'll love, she may adjust it. So this is the Serra, S-E-R-R-A sweater by Steve Madden. This is a little boat neck. Little ribbing. Oh, that's cute. And then this is, so this, now we're getting into what I asked for. When I started this whole box. This is called the Belen Dress by Steve Madden in this vegan leather. How adorable is this? It does have a little bit of that strong shoulder. So there's shoulder pads right here. It has that cinched waist. Pockets. Here's the back. So fun. Then we have this jacket by Dex. This is the faux leather bomber, which I also requested. I thought this was adorable with a little bit of that crop look to it. This feels so yummy. This is all by Dex as well. Elastic at the waist and at the wrist. So adorable. I am so excited. Let's get to this try on. First outfit. All right, so we're going with the 2 pieces that I requested. Super excited. I have sandals on instead of boots because it's almost 80 degrees outside right now. And she said, love this edgy dress and pair with a faux leather, bomber, which I'm going to put on. All right, so this is adorable. It has stretch, pockets. It zips up the back, but it has this nice gathering around the waist so it doesn't stick out from that zipper. How cute is this? It's so elevated. I love it. I feel like you could wear this for so many things. It does have this stronger shoulder here. So it's, yeah, the whole thing is kind of a shoulder pad to keep that construction in place. I think Harvey wants to go in. It just came out. He does this in, out all day. How hard? Which one do you want? Adding the bomber. What do you think? This is an edgy look, and I'm here for it. I'm totally here for it. So it has the elastic here at the bottom and at the sleeve, zip front. You could zip this up. The B's have been out so much as of late. There we go. Pockets. I think he wants to be part of the try-on. So cute. This would be great with jeans. I think it's really cute with the skirt. It has lots of room at the top. A little bit of a crop style. Probably would hit right at the waistband of your pants. But this is a great look. Let's see how much they cost. All right, because of one of my amazing subscribers who used my referral, so huge, huge, huge thank you. I so very much appreciate it. Everyone who clicks a link, clicks like, clicks subscribe, uses any of my referrals, I really, really appreciate it. It means the world to me. So the Belen dress, first up, I'm wearing a size 2, $99 is regular price. That's not bad. My price would be $79.20 with the 20% off. The faux leather bomber, $110. My price would be $88. I think we're off to a great start. Let's keep going. Next look. All right, so a little black dress and this amazing jean jacket. And my stylist says, loving the faux Sherpa jacket and easy to wear style dress. Yep. She shows the same boots with it and a black bag and some gold bling, which would make for a perfect outfit. Let's talk about this jacket first, then I'll show you the dress. So this is so comfy cozy, has this Sherpa lining here. You can see it doesn't cover the entire jacket, which might make it too bulky. Then we have it all around the collar, so comfy, and it also is around the sleeve. So you can easily just cuff that as well, which I probably would do, so you can see it at the cuff. Adorable. I love this. And then for the dress. Okay. So this is a great little black dress. It has the little notch collar, short sleeves. You can start wearing it immediately. Wear it into the fall, wear it into the winter with a great layer on top. One slit here on the side. It is ribbed. So you guys can see all that. See the ribbing. Short sleeve. So adorable. This one is called the Lindy Dress. I'm wearing a small. The regular price $99. My price would be $79.20. Same as the other dress. And then the Sherpa collar trucker jacket by Liverpool, $129. My price would be $103.20. So then we've just done a quick switch on the jacket, same dress. She says, or dress it up with this flattering blazer. And this blazer is really great. So I love that it has like this tan stitch striping through it, as well as the bright blue. Hopefully you guys can see that. It does have flappy pockets here, and yes, they are real. It's not lined, so it gives you all that nice stretch and movement. It does come down here on the side, as I was saying when I pulled it out. This would look equally nice with light blue denim or with a tan denim. I think so many ways. White, this would be great. This is a great blazer. And this one is called the Notch Collar Blazer. I'm wearing an extra small. The regular price of this one is $119, and my price would be $95.20 if I choose to keep it. Final outfit, the cargo skirt, sweater, and reversible vest. She says a nice boat neck style sweater. She says the jacket on reversible, comfy, cute cargo skirt. Yep. Yeah, so agree with her. All right. Love these pieces. Okay, so this vest is amazing. It is nice and soft and has pockets. Great layer. This is the furry side, obviously, so cute, but we can quickly reverse it and go to the puffer side, and just as yummy. And now all this warm, luscious fur is on the inside, still have pockets. Instant outfit maker, right? Then we get into this adorable sweater. It is a boat neck, which typically isn't my favorite, but I think this is really pretty. So it's not too wide across my neck. It looks really cute. Has this ribbing detail in it. It's a nice weight. I tucked it into the skirt, but it does have a banded bottom. Here's what it looks like out. Adorable. And then the skirt. Yes. So this is the way to work from home, or even go in the office, or have a great weekend while packing. You can pack this. It's not going to wrinkle. It has the side pockets. It also has the cargo pockets. I have a little string here just to cut off. But this is adorable. It's in a gray. It's going to go with so much. let's see, tie front, pockets, other pockets, and it has the back slit. All right, so for this one, the soft cargo maxi skirt, I'm wearing a size small. The regular price of this one is $80. My price would be $64. For the Serra sweater, I'm wearing a size small. $69 is the regular price. $55.20 would be my price if I keep it. And this amazing reversible vest, I'm wearing it was an extra small I had on. $100. My price would be $80. For all these pieces, which I have 8, $805. My price would be $644 with the 20%, and then of course the $20 styling fee comes off of that as well. Anything that you decide to keep, as long as you spend at least $50. I loved everything. What did you think? I loved it all. I think my stylist did amazing. But weigh in. I'll list all these down below in case you'd like to request any of these styles from your stylist. I'll put all the information in case you would like to give JB Stylebox a try. If you use my referral link, you'll get 20% off anything you keep from your first box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.